Inspiration for like what I like to produce is pretty much everywhere, but a lot of the time it does come from film actually. My dad was one of the first guys in the UK to have a video store, and I grew up with movies. I love it now where you can see things in HD and you can pause like something like an Indiana Jones movie and you can look at that really nice white tie that he wears, which is a homage to Casablanca, which is also a great looking dinner suit. And already right there, it's like, hey, you've got a lineage there as well. You've got Casablanca and you've got like Indiana Jones and stuff. You've got two interesting garments in terms of cinema to talk about just right there. So movies, cinema is always very useful, but it can kind of come from anywhere, really. It could just come from a color that I might see on the street somewhere, or an unusual color like on a sign somewhere. Inspiration's everywhere, really. But certainly film and cinema is very influential for me.